Here's where you can go to find the edge lighting feature found on your Galaxy A16 phone with Android 15. Whether you're new to Samsung or you want to know more about your edge lighting feature, go into the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle found at the top right there. Now, once you reach here, you'll want to go ahead down to the part that says notifications right here. And as you go into it by tapping on it one time, you'll see all these other options. And one of them is notification pop-up style. Once you enter here, you'll see all these different options. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're set to the brief option. If you have it on detailed, you will not see this and your edge lighting will not work. So you must be under this option here. Now, before I show you the edge lighting feature, this option here basically is telling your phone that all these apps will have edge lighting for every new notification that you get. If you don't want this happening, because every time the edge lighting works, it's gonna use a tiny pinch of battery life. And yeah, I mean, not to the point that it's gonna really kill your battery, but I mean, having edge lighting for everything, well, that's a lot for your phone to handle. So if I were you, I'd turn this off and just go down the list of every app that you want to have edge lighting for. So for example, I think you would want it for your messages and maybe like your Facebook or Messenger or any other app that you have here that you may want to turn it on for. And once you're done with that, now we can get into the style. So as you go here, usually at default, right out of the box, you will have it set to none. So you won't see nothing at first. So you can choose from these 5 here. And it seems like every time there's a new major update, Samsung just takes away one effect. Before, phones like this model here would have at least 6 or 7 of them. Now they only have 5. So you have the heart here, you got the one with the fireworks here, and you got the one with the spotlight here and the echo, which goes on the side. That one's pretty neat. And then you got the eclipse one here, which really stands out. Now, aside all this here, you have the color option. Usually it would be set to auto and it would kind of go according to the app color for the most part. But if you wanted to have a specific color all the time, you can just choose one color and it'll always have this specific color here. And I think this is that, right? Now you got the advanced settings, which basically is the transparency of the effect and how long the effect will play. Usually it plays for about 2 seconds, and then this would be like 2.5, and this would be about 3 seconds long if you were to actually sit here and count it, okay? But that's that, all right? So once you're done with all these changes here, you'll press done, and whenever you have a new effect, it's going to, I'm sorry, every time you have a new notification, it's gonna have that effect showing up for you. And that's that, like and sub.